Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to search emails in Outlook. So, in the top section of your Outlook window, there is here the search bar. So you can just click on this one and, here you have the suggested searches. So you can search with the sender, with the email. So let's just maybe type, look for this one. And as you can see, this is going to display me all the emails that this email sent me. Also, you can search by titles of the the subjects of the emails. So recently I've got an email about templates in Outlook, and I don't want to scroll it and search for this one. So I'm just going to write templates, and as you can see, I have found this email about the templates. So this is it. This is how you search for emails in Outlook. You just, put something in this bar that is in the email that you want to find, and the browser of the Outlook is going to find this specific email. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please hit a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!